Hello London View Dill viewers, today, we're making a dates cake. Before we start the video, consider subscribing to our channel for more recipes videos like this one. Anyway, on with the video. 250 grams of small pieces of dates. 250 liters of tea leaves essence. 50 grams of raisins. 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Soak for 2 hours. 250 grams of maida flour or wheat flour. 100 grams of rava. 200 grams of sugar. 1 teaspoon of baking powder. 150 milliliters of sunflower oil. 100 milliliters of condensed milk or regular fresh milk. 10 grams of nutmeg powder. 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. 100 grams of cashews. Mix all ingredients. After 5 minutes of mixing, pour the mixed cake batter into a baking tray, then put the baking tray on the oven for 40 minutes at 82 degrees Celsius or 180 degrees Fahrenheit. After 40 minutes, take the baking tray out of the oven by using an oven mitt or wait few minutes for the cake cool down a bit, then take it out. Then finally cut the cake into small pieces and enjoy. Please subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to London View Dill on YouTube.